It's an absolute pleasure and a privilege today to be at the home of LK Metrology in their production department, and I'm joined by John Gray. Now, John, you've been with the company for many years. Tell us about the history and the heritage behind the production.
Well, the company's been going from the early 60s, and I actually joined in 1989, just after it was the second takeover of the company by Cincinnati Millicron. And from that period, obviously, there's been a number of takeovers, but a lot of the staff have remained the same and moved along with the products.
A UK manufactured CMM. To this day, there's still a lot of people that don't even realise that you've got this production facility here in Castle Donington.
Yeah, I think over the years, there's a lot of competition out there, and we've always been probably a smaller company, but we do and have built up an excellent reputation for the machines. The CMMs that we produce have always sold all around the world, and they're a quality product that we've been proud to ship out from the UK.
So, UK manufactured, and you've just stated that you ship all around the world. Tell our audience what makes these CMMs so special in regards to production.
Well, I think first of all, over the years they've evolved from probably being antiquated machines with some older materials on the spindle, and the beams being made of granite. And over in the 90s, LK become probably the first company to use ceramic. And the ceramic technology moved the company forward more than a lot of the competition. And even to this day, the qualities of the ceramic are out there because of thermally stable, stiffer material, and also cosmetically looks a lot better on the machine.
Now, the testing of the CMMs on site, once you've assembled them, what accreditations do you check them to?
Well, once we've calibrated the machine and we know that they can achieve the repeatability spec, we then actually follow ISO standard, 10360 standard, that then we'll conduct either length measuring tests, either with a laser or length gauges, calibrated length gauges, and then also there'll be probing tests and scanning tests. It all depends on what the customer has ordered with the machine.
So with such experienced people that you have working for you here, what type of products are they capable of working on? Because you have such a large range.
I think over the years the machine range has changed, but because a lot of us have been here years, we've seen the migration from the older bridge type machines to the new Altera range that you've seen now. The Altera range varies in different sizes, from the small, medium to the large machines. The smaller ones covering 755, the smallest size, and you can go up to the Altera M, where any size in the X virtually, 2 meter in the Y axis and 1500 in the Z axis. So we really can build any size machine that the customer requires, and that's one of the strengths of LK.
Sounds like a lot of kind of experience required for and knowledge to kind of work in this production environment. Can you give our audience a little bit of an insight behind your team?
Yeah,
or into your team, sorry.
Yeah, no, a lot of the guys here, if we totted up the years, there's a lot of years experience. I would say, you know, well over 200 years experience. There's at least 7 people who have been here 20 years or more. So they're all very comfortable building the machines. They're always giving advice and looking to improve the products all the time.
And a UK manufactured product, How important is that, John?
It's vital, isn't it? We're really proud of that. A lot of us who have been here years, we've enjoyed the experience of travelling the world to install the machines, and we've been proud to say that these machines have been built in the UK, and a lot of the customers receiving them have also been proud to accept them from the UK.